Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in my son's bedroom that needs decorating. So today what I'm going to show you is how to get rid of some of the cracks in the walls or holes. As you can see here, I've already started doing some and they need sanding down to be repainted. But I've got up the top here where we've taken a shelf out. You can see the plugs are still there. So I'm going to quickly show you how we're going to get the plugs out and then how we fill it in. Today's tools, what we'll need is a screw, of all things, screwdriver. We've got, these are a set of 4 flexible filling blades, quite good. We've got some 80 grit and 180 grit sandpaper, and also your filler. Now, this is the bigger filler. We live in an older house and we've got a lot of cracks to get rid of. So I bought the bigger one, but they do a smaller one, which will be cheap. Right guys, so this is how we do it. You get your screw, and we're going to just twist it back into the plug. Yeah, and then just not all the way in, but we're going to screw it in just a little bit. So then you can start using this to start pulling the plug out, and it comes out easy like that. And then what I want to do, obviously because we've got the filler, I'm just going to get the hoover and just suck out any of the dust that's in there still. And that hole now is ready to be filled. So once we've got the hole ready, get some filler on. Don't matter how much you've got, you know, just get a decent amount. And you want to push it in, push it into it. And then you can scrape all the excess off. Again, push it in, yeah. And what you'll find, it will start bubbling up, yeah, and start sticking out. That doesn't matter about that, because that's when we'll come back with the sandpaper later once it's fully dry, and we'll sand that down, get it all nice and smooth, ready for painting. Right then guys, while we're waiting for that hole up there to dry so we can sand that down, I'm going to show you what I've done on these ones here. So you get your higher grit sandpaper, and then you just start taking it down, and then you'll find that you'll get so far down and there'll just be a little bit of a lump there. So then we'll go with the finer grit sandpaper and take that so it is fully flat and smooth, yeah. And that's that. And that's now ready to be painted. Nice and flat. Obviously I've got to go around and do it all on all the other holes that I've filled in. But that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. Press the bell so you get the notification every time a new video comes up. And yeah, thank you for watching. Just remember, give it a go.